Hello friends, today we will be discussing about ISRO. ISRO was founded on 15 August 1969 and it is one of the leading space research organizations in the world. ISRO is in competition with space agencies like NASA, Roscosmos. It was initially known as the Indian National Committee for Space Research or abbreviated as INCOSPAR. Achievements of ISRO are as follows. Chandrayaan-1 mission, which was launched in 2008, it proved that water is present on the moon in the form of ice caps on the South Pole. Chandrayaan-2, which was launched in 2019. Chandrayaan-2 was a partial failed mission, but it was 95% success. The problem with the mission was the lander had crashed on the surface of the moon and was not found. Mangalyaan, which was launched in 2014, and Astrosat, which was launched in 2015. Moving on, we are to get the launches of the ISRO. SLV, which is Satellite Launch Vehicle, was one of the most initial launchers of ISRO. ASLV, which is Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, and it is one of the most developed launchers of ISRO, and GSLV, which stands for Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicles, and GSLV is used to place heavy payload into the orbit of the Earth. Now we will get to know about the launch vehicles of ISRO one by one. First of all is SLV or Satellite Launching Vehicle. Its payload capacity was 40 kg. It could go up to an altitude of 400 kilometers. First flight was taken on 10th August 1979, but it was an unsuccessful flight. The first successful flight was taken by SLV on 18th July 1980 and its last flight was on 17th April 1983. Now we will get to know about ASLV or Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. It had a payload capacity of 150 kg, could reach up to an altitude of 400 km. Its first flight was on 24th March 1987 and last flight was on 4th May 1994. Moving on to PSLV. PSLV is one of the most developed satellite launching vehicles of ISRO and it has a payload capacity of 1750 kg. It can go up to an altitude of 600 to 900 km in orbit and its first flight was on 20th September 1993. Here's one point. In 2017, ISRO launched 104 foreign and local satellites into space, making it the highest number of satellites launched into space by one launch vehicles, and it was PSLV which did this marvelous job. Now GSLV or Geosynchronous Satellite Launching Vehicle. It has a payload capacity of 2500 kg. You might be wondering, what is payload? Payload is the satellite or any other thing which is carried by a launching vehicle to the space or to the orbit. Its first flight was on 18th of April 2001 and it could reach up to an altitude of 600 km. The future missions of ISRO are Aditya L1 mission, which will be launched in the year 2022. It will be a solar observation type mission. In this mission, the sun will be studied. RISAT-1A, which will be launched in the year 2020, will be a radar imaging satellite mission. NISAR, which will be launched in 2022, is a SAR satellite. It means Synthetic Apparatus Radar Satellite Mission, and this will convert the 3D map taken by the satellite to a 2D map. Mangalyaan-2, which will be launched in the year 2024, will be a Mars orbiter mission. Previously, we had Mangalyaan mission launched in 2024. There's one more important mission, which is Gaganyaan, and it will be carried in 2022. It will be a human mission. Thank you for watching this video.